What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel at PHİN Makeover. So today I'm here again with I'm going to be reacting to the La Rokoi Mat to Chicha Wakoya. Guys, forgive me. She's citing out and making mistakes, and please do forgive me. This song is about the father and the daughter, and I checked it out with the perseverance. I loved it. I enjoyed it. It's so emotional and so heartfelt. Like, I enjoyed the performance. It made me so emotional, guys. It made me cry a lot, and I want to check it out with her. I want to see her own feeling about the song because it's so educative and it's nice. It's a beautiful and a wonderful song. So without further ado, let's get started. I love this. I love her voice.
Muốn tựa vào vai của cha, con muốn nắm lấy tay cha thật chặt, những vết chai dần đã hằn sâu.
She's coming back there.
Con nhớ từng chiều ngồi xe phía sau, anh mặt trời nghiêng mái đầu. Con nhớ lắm lúc hai cha con cười đùa, cứ sợ rằng sẽ không còn nữa. Sợ ngày mai lúc thức ra nhưng cha không còn nữa, chẳng còn ai kể con nghe những câu chuyện ngày xưa, chẳng còn ai cứ mỗi tối hỏi con đã về chưa, chẳng còn ai che cho con nắng mưa trên đường, chẳng còn ai yêu thương con như khi con còn bé, chẳng còn ai sẽ quan tâm và đưa đón lúc tan trường. Cả tuổi thơ con bên cha, chỉ nhớ nhất là những kỷ niệm chỉ đong đầy tiếng cha cười, nhớ những ngày tháng yên bình nhất trên đời.
Guys, this is sad. Like, her father left when she was a kid, and she keeps coming back to that same spot every time to see if it's there. Wow. You know that kind of feeling when someone leave and you don't want them to go, but they go, and you just keep expecting them to come back. Like, you keep going to check if they are the one at the door, going to see if they are back, if they are around. Like, you just long to see them again. You want to feel their presence with you. The lyrics said that she's afraid that when she wake up, you are not there. There's nobody telling her fairy tale. There's nobody asking her whether she's at home or not. Guys, it's so sad knowing that the one person you want to be around you is not there at that particular point in time. You feel this loneliness, this void in your heart. You feel empty and alone, and sometimes you feel abandoned, like the person you want to be with just left you. I know that's not how it is here. I'm sure the father went to work so that she'll have a better future. So I get the father's point of view because he's just trying to make more ends meet so that the daughter and the family will live a happy life. But it's sad to long to see someone every time and the person is not there whenever you go out there. The girl's voice is so nice. I love her voice. It's so beautiful and incredible. How's it going?
It's so painful and it hurts a lot when your loved one leave your side. Like you get to remember when the person was close to you, the things you share together, and the person leaves at that moment is so painful and like it's nice. It's a very nice song and
Yeah.
yeah,
So emotional.
creative as well. So.
Yeah, let's continue.
Cơn gió thổi mái tóc rối bời, muốn được chà trái tóc thôi. Con ước dẫu tháng năm trôi đi vội vàng, vẫn được hoài ở bên cha mãi. Giờ ngày mai lúc thức giấc nhưng cha không còn nữa, chẳng còn ai kể con nghe những câu chuyện ngày xưa, chẳng còn ai cứ mỗi tối hỏi con đã về chưa, chẳng còn ai che cho con nắng mưa trên đường, chẳng còn ai yêu thương con như khi con còn bé, chẳng còn ai sẽ quan tâm ngồi bên con để vỗ về. Cả tuổi thơ con bên cha chỉ nhớ nhất là những câu chuyện chỉ đong đầy tiếng cha cười, nhớ những ngày tháng yên bình nhất trên đời. Vì sao mãi đến lúc khi chồng con đã lớn thì mới hiểu những nỗi lo trong tim của cha, dành tất cả những ấm áp cho con bao ngày qua, chỉ vì con cha hy sinh cả cuộc đời. Vì sao bao gian lao kia cha không bao giờ kể, vì sao những nỗi mất mát cha chỉ giữ mãi riêng mình. Cả tuổi thơ con bên cha nhưng chẳng thấy được nước mắt cùng nỗi đau và những nỗi buồn, những câu chuyện chỉ đong đầy tiếng cha cười.
Oh, she's grown up. Oh, she meets her dad again. Well, I can literally relate to this song because when I was younger, my dad had to go away abroad so he can make a better ends meet, so we'll be able to sustain us and live a better life. So watching my dad leave me at a very young age where I barely knew what he looks like, and the way I can recognize him is by looking at his picture so that I won't forget his appearance, and longing for him to come back every day, every week, every month, and every time. It's so heartbroken, guys. So I can get her point of view. I can understand how she feels like when you just go to that same spot, you watch him leave and expecting he will be there when you get there. It's so broken when you get there and he's not there. You just feel this void within you. You feel so empty and so heartbroken, guys. And I love this performance. It just makes you understand what our fathers go through just to make sure we are sustain, we get to live a better life, a fulfilled life. They make sure they provide for us financially and give us everything they couldn't have so that we won't suffer what they did. It's so amazing because fathers, most times they miss our childhood because they're out there trying to do a better job so that we'll be sustainable, so we'll have a better future. It's sad that fathers have to miss out on our childhood just so that they'll help us in the future. Fathers are just the best because they sacrifice a lot, and most of the times they're not appreciated. People don't appreciate them because you see, they feel men are hard, they don't express emotion, so we don't really appreciate them because we feel that they don't feel all these things that we do. We just feel they are more hardened and stone cold. But I think it's otherwise. Maybe they have a hard time expressing it, but that doesn't mean they don't feel it or they don't have this special place of us in their heart. I know my father loved me from the depth of his heart, and he always shows it in different way, but he does. I love this performance. How's it for you?
It's really, it's really emotional. It's really emotional.
Sure.
And you seeing your loved one just go like that, it's really unbearable. You see, so I understand the point of view. It's really painful to see your own, especially your own dad who gave birth to you and everything. Like it's really emotional. So
Guys, thank you so much for recommending the song for us.
Aw.
I love it. I love it. She's making me smile, guys. I love it. I love the feeling I got from watching it. The fact that I have experienced something like that make it easier for me to connect to the song because I've been in her shoes. I've longed to see my dad every day, and not seeing him make me cry, make me feel left out and so alone. But I'm so happy I got to watch this, knowing fully well that them living is for our own good, to make sure our future is bright and we are able to sustain ourselves. It's so beautiful. Fathers are so good and so touching and so nice. Guys,
The fathers.
yeah. This is for the fathers because they sacrifice a lot for us, and honestly, I'm so grateful to have a father like mine that sacrificed his own time to spend with his wife and his children just to make sure we live a better life. Fathers are so good. Guys, please do let us know what you think about our reaction in the comment section. If you want to see more of us, please do ensure to like, subscribe, and share this video. We'll see you in the next one.